Alright, how's everybody doing? Got a scope here, unboxing. This is a budget, CV Life. They've been around for a while. I have been very not impressed and somewhat impressed with some of their scopes. The first ones I got, I was not impressed. I was not a fan. The last one I got, I thought was alright. I thought it was decent, And this is a 7-35x56 first focal plane. So this is their big daddy here. This is they're trying to compete with everybody else, that's coming out, the 7-35 power scopes, So anyways, let's crack this thing open and see what we got here. Alright, unboxing. Come on, get out of there. It don't want to get out. And yeah, this thing is a beast. I can tell just by looking at it. I guess it looks like it comes with some rings. I usually don't use their rings. Those look okay, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use them. I don't like the real thin rings like that. I don't know why. I just don't. But anyways, it comes with rings. Let's take this thing out. Take it out of the plastic and look at it. Alright, it comes with looks like a couple batteries and something there, and this is the manual, owner's manual, EagleBlaze. So there's a good look at the reticle, which looks pretty good. I mean, I thought that's one of the things that I actually kind of liked when I looked at it. I like the dot in the middle there. So let's take this thing and see if I can get all this stuff off of it here. Looks like it's got the sunshade. I don't know how they put the sunshade on there. I guess you gotta take the lens cover off to get the sunshade off. So yeah, this thing is a beast. I'll tell you right now. They're trying to compete with the other big guys, and yeah, this is a big scope, big beefy scope. Actually has really nice clicks. I mean, I'm actually kind of impressed with that compared to the other ones. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And it's got the parallax on it down to 35 yards all the way up to infinity, and it is illuminated. So let's see, looks like it comes with a throw lever in here. Oh yeah, throw lever is right there. So turn it down to 7. Everything looks pretty good. I mean, it's a very, like I said, big, beefy. They're trying to compete with the other big, makers. I'll just say, Arkin and some of these other people. So, yeah, they're, looks nice. So let's get it out and we'll set it up and look through it and then see what it looks like. Whoops. 14 power at 50 yards. Alright, and there's 20 power, 50 yards. Okay, 25 power at 50 yards. Okay, there's 35 power at 100 yards. I know the camera's not picking this up very good, but it's very cloudy when I'm looking through there. It's very, very cloudy on higher power. After you get past 25 power, it gets very, very cloudy. Alright, so EagleBlaze CV Life 7-35x56. The scope is really well built. The glass on lower power is very clear. I still like the reticle on higher power. I think the reticle is a little thicker than I would like, but it's very usable on 7 power. I was going to put it on my 1022 here, do a little shooting, but I gotta be honest with you, the glass, it's just not on the higher power. Once you get past 20, 25, which some people that'd be fine, maybe 20 or 25's, you know, all you want to shoot. If you do, then great. But once you get past that, the eye box gets very, very tight, and it gets a little cloudy. It gets really cloudy in my opinion. The glass, lower than 20 power, it's great, clear, perfect, you know, as you would expect. But I don't think I'm going to keep it. I think I'm going to send it back. But you know, for some people it may work great. You know, for the price point, it comes with a sunshade, extra battery, 0 stop. You got the little key for the turrets and everything, and you know, the illumination's good on it. Everything's good on it. It's just you know, it's what you would expect for the price point. Obviously, I mean, I got this on sale. Honestly, I think there's probably better ones to be had. So this is just my opinion. I'm sorry, CV Life, sorry, you know, but I don't, you know, get sponsored. I don't get paid. I just tell the truth. And you know, higher power, the glass is just a little bit too foggy for me. But it looks well built overall, good. Lower power, really clear, really good scope. Under 20 power, you know, really good. So there you go. That's what I got today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a good one.